Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's tap video, I will be doing a mini combo from Bugsy Malone to Fat Sam's Grand Slam. Let's break it down. Okay, I will do it with counts and then to words because with musical theater, I always like doing things to words. So much easier. All right, so starting with your right foot, it's going to be stomps, crossing. All right, so it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, ball change 8. Okay, and your hands with that, you're just going to shake them. So anybody who's anybody will soon walk through that door. Okay, then you're going to take that right foot and you're just going to slide it around, ball change stomp. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And your hands are going to do this like flying thing. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay? At Fat Sam's Grand Slam, then you're going to do a Broadway to your left. Speak easy, and your arms are going to circle around. So that's, let's take it from the top. Anybody who's anybody will soon walk through that door at Fat Sam's Grand Slam. Speak easy. Okay? Now we're going to do time steps, starting with your right, just single time steps. Always willing to find you a table, there's room for just one more. Repeat, at Fat Sam's Grand Slam. Then you're going to repeat, speak easy. Now on that Broadway, you're going to turn it to the right, and you're going to just, your torso is going to stay quartered, and your arms are going to stay, you're going to stay quartered, and your arms are going to flex. Okay? Now, you're going to point. 1, 2. So just take that left foot, point, point, and you're going to pas de bourrée, touch, hands on hips. So that's 1, 2, step in, back, step out, step, touch. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. With words, once you get there, find the good cheer. And now you're going to just push forward. Okay? Like they say in the poem. Okay? So, you just did the once you get there, find the good cheer, like they say in the poem. Now you're going to face forward, scuff, hop, step, scuff, hop, step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you're going to touch back, touch, and toe touch. Okay? Then flap heel touch. So that's scuff, hop, step, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, arms around, 7 and 8, blow, kiss. That's kind of on the 1. All right, so that's Fat Sam ain't humble, but it's your home sweet, but it's your home sweet home. Okay? All right, that's the combination broken down. So going back to the beginning, it's, and this is like I say, loose and kind of laid back. Anybody who's anybody will soon walk through that door at Fat Sam's Grand Slam. Speak easy. Always willing to find you a table, will soon walk through that door. sorry, there's room for just one more. Take it from the time steps. Always willing to find you a table. There's room for just one more. At Fat Sam's Grand Slam. Speak easy. Once you get there, find the good cheer. Like they say in the poem. Fat Sam ain't humble, but it's your home sweet home. Okay? I'll do it up to speed once so you can see what it looks like. Here we go. And anybody who's anybody will soon walk through that door. At Fat Sam's Grand Slam, speak easy. Always willing to find you a table. There's room for just one more. At Fat Sam's Grand Slam, speak easy. Once you get there, find the good cheer. Like they say in the poem. Fat Sam ain't humble, but it's your home sweet home. Okay, there you go. I hope you liked that. Don't forget to click and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next.